Hi, Wendy.
Like apples? You like an apple?
Wendy's here getting some more treats. This time it's apple day.
What you think, huh? Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, huh? Oh, you like apples.
Yes. She loves apples. She loves apples as much as she loves carrots. Whoa, she goes, give me that.
Want an apple? Mm-hmm. Maybe want an apple? Mm-hmm. There you go, good girl. Good girl. I don't have any more. It's all gone. Only brought 3 out. Yes. You like apples, don't you? Yes. You licking my hand off? Don't you bite me. Don't you bite me. Good girl. I don't have any more.
Well, that's all, Wendy.
Are we spoiled? That's all, girlfriend. That's all.
You ate them all. Say goodbye.
Bye, Wendy.